Got Sizzling Honeys, muscle cars, and hot rods coming up. Flashy hottie here, a 1932 Ford blown Hemi Roadster hot rod. There's Sweet Dam in a 1942 Packard 120 convertible coupe. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support. Woo-wee! Here's a Sizzling gal in a 1972 Chevy Nova Street Machine. Wowzer! Here's a tantalizing hottie in a 2012 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.